Let me guess. You have just sent a friend request to someone on Snapchat and immediately regret it. Now, you just want to remove or cancel the request. Been there, done that. Well, in this video, we're going to show you how to view and cancel sent friend requests from Snapchat app on your iPhone. For that, open Snapchat, go to Profile, scroll down, and then tap on Add Friends. Then tap on this three-dot menu. From this menu at the bottom, select Recently Added by Me. Now here you will find your mutually added and sent friend request list. Now I'm sure your list is bigger than mine, and hopefully remember the name you have sent request to. Tap on that. Again, tap on this three-dot menu, go to Manage Friendship, and from here, just tap on Remove Friend. Press Remove to confirm. So that's it. That's how you can view and also remove sent friend requests on your Snapchat app right from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Take care.